Samsung is all set to unveil its next flagship smartphone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, packed with powerhouse features. Ahead of its official launch, leaks are already making waves revealing jaw-dropping specs. Today, we'll dive into everything you need to know about this highly anticipated foldable. Stay tuned. Cut to leaked image of Galaxy Z Fold 7A. New leaked image surfaced online, showcasing the Galaxy Z Fold 7's triple camera setup. While the post didn't spill all the details, rumors suggest a 200-megapixel main sensor. Yes, you heard that right. This could be Samsung's biggest camera leap yet in a foldable. Cut to animation of foldable phone unfolding. Now, let's talk design. The Z Fold 7 is expected to be Samsung's slimmest foldable yet, just 3.9 millimeters thin when unfolded, and under 10 millimeters when folded. Compare that to rivals like the Oppo Find N5, and it's clear Samsung isn't holding back. Cut to side-by-side comparison with Oppo Find N5. But here's the trade-off. To keep it sleek, the battery might stay at 4,400 mAh, same as its predecessor. Will battery life take a hit? Only time will tell. Cut to titanium frame. Close-up durability gets a boost too. The Z Fold 7 reportedly swaps stainless steel for titanium, making it lighter yet tougher. Say goodbye to scratches and hello to premium resilience. Cut to One UI 8 demo software. Meet One UI 8, optimized for foldables. Think smoother multitasking, smarter app scaling, and buttery transitions between screens. Samsung's refining the foldable experience like never before. And that 200-megapixel camera? It's not just about pixels. Expect stunning low-light shots, pro-grade zoom, and AI-enhanced video, making this a creative powerhouse in your pocket. With rivals like Oppo and Huawei pushing boundaries, Samsung's betting big on display tech and build quality to stand out. Will it dominate the foldable market? July 2025 can't come soon enough. What do you think of the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.